Today's topic is difference between list and set in a Java. In a, in a JDK is a 2.0. We use vectors, an array, and hash tables to group of base in the single list. In a JDK is a collections of framework come to the extents uh, that's uh, that's reputed sums of interface and to write write with a collections of data. uh, list list set list set is interface are uh, throws that use group of object and interface extend the collection of interface. List interface, the Java is a util package and that interface is a manipulating order and collection of a list and can contain the null and duplicate values. The methods of this list set based on the index, so all the operator list and insert, delete, update and search. That base use the uh, index, array list and linked list, stacks, vectors and implementations and career available in a list interface. uh, uh, list is implemented on the allow the add some of a duplicate element, and set is the implementation doesn't allow as the same duplicate element. The insertions order is manipulating by the list and doesn't manipulating order insertions in the element. List allow with the uh, as the odd number of a set value, and such allow the us add allow the value is a null values. Cannot be element and substitute index from the element using the get methods, and cannot be find element from the based on the index methods. Iterable provided in the get methods. Thank you.